Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about Azure Bot. So Azure Bot Service and Bot Framework provide tools to build, test, deploy and manage intelligent bot in all in one place. So try to understand what is a bot. So what are the advantages you will be getting with a bot? A bot provide an experience that feel like using a computer or more like dealing with a person or at least an intelligent robot. So they can be used to shift simple repetitive tasks such as taking a dinner reservation or gathering profile information on the automated system that may no longer require a human intervention. So you can automate a lot of IT stuffs in the Azure bot. So let's try go into the portal and see more about the Azure bot service. I'm here in the documentation tab for this Azure bot service. So if you see that Azure bot service and bot framework offering an integrated set of tools and service to facilitate this process. So if you see that it's come up with a planning, your build, test, publish, connect and evaluate. So there is a steps of process over there, and you can go and choose an existing SDK. So Azure is providing an SDK that is nothing but a software development kit that is in different language. You can go and use a C Sharp, JavaScript, and a TypeScript or a Python. The Python is in under development, so that you can go and use and develop your bot application. So in this video tutorial, we are going to choose either a .NET or a Node.js template to create a bot using a bot framework of SDK v.4. If you see, there is another version called v3. So v3 is an older version. We are going to use the v4 version. So let's go into the portal. So I am here in my Azure portal. I'm going into the left menu and I'm going for the all service. So I'm going into the all service tab here and I'm going for the AI and machine learning category. So I say that my Microsoft is going to categorize all the resources in the form of compute, network, storage and web. So let me go into the AI and machine learning option here, and you can see all the AI and machine learning services are grouped here. You can see a cognitive service, a machine learning service, and I can see a bot service. So let me go and create a bot service. And if you see that right now I don't have any bot service, so let me go and create a brand new bot service. So basically it will be going to ask two options. So you want a web app bot or a bot channel registration. So I'm going with a web app bot here. It's give you an overview page about Azure bot, and it's have a documentation, solution overview and pricing details. And in the plans tab you can go and see the bot plan. So let me go and create this web app bot. I'm here in the web app creation bot page. So it need a bot handler. A bot handler is a unique identifier for your bot. So let me give a name, my first bot. So if the name is been available, it will be going to validate. So if you see that bot ID has been already taken, so let me append with some random number over there. And you need a valid subscription, and I have a valid subscription here. So let me go and create a new resource group for this bot service. So let me name it as bot RG. And I'm going to create this web app bot in the East US location. So let me select the East US location here. And if you see the pricing there are different pricing option there. There is an S1K premium message per unit or a 10K premium message. If you want to see the full pricing details, you can click on this hyperlink over there. So if you see that the F0 is a free version and S1 is a standard one, and you have a bot created tool and free standard channel, and your premium is going to give a 99.9 SLA, and SLA is nothing but a service level agreement, and you get around 1K premium message per unit. So this is a training purpose, so I'll be going to select the free version of this, and it expect an app name, so it is taking a default my first bot with a random number. and you can go and select the bot template. So the bot template is nothing but your SDK. So you can Microsoft is providing n number of templates over there and different language. Right now it is in C# and Node.js. I can see here. You can go and select your SDK language as C# or an uh, Node.js kind of thing. So I can go and select an Echo bot chat. So let me select OK here. And it's expecting to configure your app service plan. So I'm going to configure my app service plan. I don't have an app service plan, so I'm going to create a new app service plan. So this app service plan, when we create a web app, this is the same kind of process. We'll be going to create my app service plan. So you can provide an app service name and you can go and select the location where you want to create this app service. So I'm going to select the location of the East US. So if you see the pricing tier of the currently default to S1 standard, it can be modified by visiting the app service plan resource groups. So I can show you this once this has been created, how we can go and change the app service plan. So let me go and click OK. And by default, it is been enabled the application insight. The application insight is to monitor your web app bot. So let me go and create this web app bot with this credential. Let me go and create the web app bot. And if you see it is validating my change. So when the validation is succeeded, I can see the create option over here. And if you see my validation is being successful and it is going to create my bot RGs, the deployment is being in progress. So I'll be come back when this deployment is being succeeded. And if you see my deployment is being completed successfully. So let me go into the resource group and see this bot app. I'm here in the bot RG resource group, and if you see in this bot RG resource group, it has created a bot app, web bot app, and it's created an app service plan and an app service and application insight to monitor. And my bot app is a presence of global. So while creating this app service plan, I selected as a DS1. So your pricing will be based on your plan you will be selecting. So I didn't hit an option to change the plan, but I can, after creating an app service plan, I can go and change the plan. So if I go into the app service plan, and I can go and scale up or scale out my app service plan. So if I go into the app service plan session, I can go and scale it down or scale it up my app service plan. And if you want to scale it down, you can go and scale it down on here. I said right now it is an S1 version. So if you want to downgrade, because I am going to use this for an testing purpose, so I'm going to the dev or a test plan, and I am going with the standard D1 version here. I'm going to upgrade this. So meanwhile, let's go into the our chatbot bot service. I'm back to my bot RG, and I'm going to my first bot with the random number. That's what the resource name I created. And if you see my bot service tier is an F0 tier, and I can have an URL to access my bot. So you can go and test your bot app using in the bot service management option. There is an option called test in web client web chat. So I'm going to test this bot. If you see that the bot service been starting over, and the bot service responds with an hello welcome. So I can put some text over here and I can test the bot is been responding or not. So it is been if you see that it's an echo bot, whatever you are going to be typed here, it will be going to be echo it back. So test app, it's going to be echo that saying back to me. So my bot app is been up and running, and I can able to see the response here in the portal. And you can also download the code to work it locally. In the bot management section, you can go and click the build option here. and you can download the bot's source code link. You can go and download this source code link in your local, and you can make the development in your local as well. So that's all about this Azure bot service. So we will see more Azure machine learning services in the upcoming video. Thank you.